Morning, friends. Today, I've decided to do this short video on selecting currency pairs to trade. So the first thing we do is we look at the strength of the currency pairs. Today is the 12th of June 2019. London session time now is 8:59. So we are well into the London session, and as you can see in the relative performance index here, I'm currently using the Finviz platform. We've got the strongest currency pair is the Japanese yen, followed by the Swiss franc and pounds. Then the weakest is the Australian dollar. Card, I won't look at the card because it hasn't actually moved. So we've got the Australian dollar as the weakest, the Japanese yen as the strongest. So the first pair we're going to be looking at is the Australian dollar Japanese yen, according to the strength and the weakness that we've seen. So where's the Aussie yen? I'll use the 1 hour chart quickly. So we've got the Aussie yen here. There you go. You see, we probably should wait for a little bit of retracement towards the 50% level, right? So ideally, we want to be selling the Australian dollar Japanese yen from the 75.45 area, or if price continue below the current level of 75.23, we should be seeing a continuation in the downside. The next currency pair we should be looking at is the pound Aussie. I'll quickly look for that. I think I haven't got it on that list. GBPAUD. So the pound is strong, the Aussie is weak. As you can see, this has moved further from the previous high of yesterday. So ideally, you want the price to come back a little bit before you get involved in this one. We don't want to be buying the high, the tops there. We want the pullback. As you can see, the price action is up, down, up, down, up, down, and up. So we should be expecting a pullback. Let's use this low to the high, and we can get involved somewhere around the 61.8% or 50%. This will act as a strong support. This area here between the 50% and 61.8% will act as a strong support to be buying into. The next one we should be looking at is the Aussie Swiss. We are just using the Australian dollar as the base weakest currency. The Aussie Swiss Australian dollar Swiss franc, we should be selling this. This is actually a very good trade to get involved very soon because it started pulling back already, and we can use this. So it's close to kill zone where we should be looking for action around this 61.8% retracement or the 50%. I'll probably say the best area to look for is we always like, you see this area, price went down and bounced off this 21. Even if it goes beyond the 21, the second retracement below it should give you a nice move to the downside. So 61.8% area of the Australian dollar Swiss franc 1 hour chart should be an interesting area to be looking for shorts. So that's it for now. Have a blessed trading day and chat soon.